Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Just 2 more albums to release before I retire. Wizkid announces plans to change name. Wizkid has made a key announcement to his fans via the singer's Twitter page with approximately 4.5 million fans. The Starboy stated that he is working on releasing 2 more albums before he retires as Wizkid. He announced the plans to have a name change after 2 days ago on Twitter, stating that the last album will come after his most anticipated album, Made in Lagos. Wizkid also revealed in the same space that he is set to unite baby mamas for 2020 grand wedding. Wizkid stated that he has chosen to change his ways and has announced that he will be getting married come the year 2020 when he finally turns 30. Wizkid started recording music at the age of 11 and managed to release a collaborative album with the Glorious Five, a group he and a couple of his church friends formed. Wizkid signed a record deal with Empire Mate Entertainment (EME) in 2009. He rose to prominence after releasing Holla at Your Boy, the lead single from his debut studio album Superstar in 2011. Guys, let me know what you think about Wizkid's decision in the comment section below. Thank you.